Students, now today we discuss unit number 3 dynamics, example number 3.5 and problem number 3.7. In example number 3.5, two masses 4 kg and 6 kg are attached to the ends of an inextensible string which passes over a frictionless pulley such that mass 6 kg is moving over a frictionless horizontal surface and mass 4 kg is moving vertically downward. Find the acceleration in the system and the tension in the string. This problem is related with the case 2. One body is moving downward and other is lying on a table. There is a given data from the statement m1 is equal 4 kg, m2 is equal 6 kg. We have to find acceleration and tension. For acceleration, there is a formula of case 2. A is equal m1 divided by m1 plus m2g. What is m1? m1 is equal 4 kg. m1 4 kg divided by m1 4 kg plus 6 kg into g की value है 10 ms minus 2. By calculating them, we get the answer of acceleration is equal 4 ms minus 2. Now, for tension, we have T is equal m1 m2g m1 plus m2 4 kg into 6 kg 4 kg plus 6 kg into 10 से multiply किया, then we get the answer for tension is that is T is equal 24 Newton. At the last, we have to write result. Thus, the acceleration in the system is 4 ms minus 1 and tension in the string is 24 Newton. Now we solve problem number 3.7. Two masses 26 kg and 24 kg are attached to both ends of the string which passes over a frictionless pulley. 26 kg is lying over a smooth horizontal table. 24 kg is moving vertically downward. Find the tension in the string and the acceleration in the body. Okay. From the statement we know one body is moving vertically downward and a body B is lying on a table. So it belongs to case 2. There is a given data. Mass of the first body is equal m1 is equal 24 kg. Mass of the second body m2 is equal 26 kg. We have to find tension and acceleration. There is a formula for acceleration. A is equal m1g divided by m1 plus m2. And for tension, there is a formula T is equal m1 m2g divided by m1 plus m2. Now we calculate acceleration. A is equal m1g divided by m1 plus m2. By putting this value, A is equal 24 into 10 divided by 24 plus 26 is equal 240 divided by 50. We get the answer of acceleration. A is equal 4.8 ms minus 2. Hence, the acceleration will be 4.8 ms minus 2. Now, for tension, T is equal m1 m2g divided by m1 plus m2. Now, put the value in this formula. T is equal 24 into 26 into 10 divided by 24 plus 26 is equal 6240 divided by 50. Now tension is equal T is equal 124.8 Newton. It is approximately equal to 125 Newton. Hence tension will be the nearly 125 Newton. Students, I hope you understand it well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.